Welcome to Yeeflow Data List Tutorial Series. Today, we will demonstrate how to create a data list. A data list is a powerful tool that helps you organize and manage data effectively. First, open an application and click the Add Component button in the navigation bar. In the pop-up, Create New Component window, select Data List. Next, enter the name and description of the data list. Then click OK. This will create a new data list. In the data list page, there is a default column called Title. Besides the title, there are 5 fields have been created by default. If you would like to display them, click Display Fields on the top of the list. Then switch on or off the column's display. Click and drag the sequence block after the fields to adjust the display order. As the list admin, you may need to create more fields based on the requires. Click Add New Column to add fields. In the pop-up on the right, select the field type, enter the display name, and set other properties of the field, then click Save. To edit or delete existing fields, click the drop-down box next to the column, then select Edit Field. Modify the properties of the field and save. Click Delete Field to remove this field from the data list. Please note that default fields cannot be deleted, only hidden. You can also insert new columns in the current list view. Click the drop-down box next to a column and select Insert Left or Insert Right to directly create new columns and adjust the order of the new columns. When there is too much data in the data list, you can use the filter function to filter the data. Click the Filter button, and then add conditions or condition groups to quickly search for related records. You can also sort the data list by clicking the Sort button. Then select the field you want to sort by, and the sorting method, ascending or descending, and finally click Apply to see the sorted results. Records in the data list can be displayed in different colors by defining conditions. Click the Color button, click Add Color, then select the color and add corresponding conditions. To add multiple definition conditions, repeat the above steps. Finally, click Apply to see the effect. Lastly, to modify the settings of the data list, click the More Settings button in the upper right corner. Click List Settings to further modify the properties of the list. For example, click the Fields option, where you can see all the existing field information, as well as create new fields or edit existing fields. We've learned how to create a data list in Yeeflow and make various settings. If you want to learn more tutorials about Yeeflow, please stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.